Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So let's start today's topic. Before that, here are few instructions. Please follow it. Take your notebook and pencil with you and write highlighted important points. And also please pause your video when I will tell you to pause it. I hope it's clear. So this is our block 1, that is families on the move, and today we'll discuss our LP3, leaving the village. Why people are leaving their village and move to the city, what are the reasons behind it, we will discuss today. So agenda means what we are going to do today. Firstly, we will discuss some questions, then we'll know about our aim. After that, we'll do an activity, then we'll discuss some questions based on our activity, and at the end we'll discuss some keywords. So my first question is there, why people move from one place to another, give reasons. Why people move from one place to another, give reasons. Please pause your video and write down your answers. I hope you done it, so let's discuss the answer. So you can write here, people move from one place to another in search of better job, in search of better education, or maybe due to the transfer, due to the flood. These are the reasons why people move from one place to another place. I hope it's clear. Now, aim, what we are going to do today, we will learn why some families move to the city from villages. I repeat, and you also repeat after me. We will learn why some families move to the city from villages. So we'll do an activity now. Before that, here are few instructions. We have to read about Bhuvan in the section living village, and you have to underline the reason why Bhuvan left the village. I repeat, read about Bhuvan in the section living families and underline the reasons also, right? So here we have living the village. I hope instructions are clear to you all. So now we'll read the chapter Leaving the Village. At times, family have to migrate. Migrate means when we move from one place to another. From one place to another place, some migrate to new cities to find better jobs or better school for their children. And sometimes people are forced to migrate to other places during a war or a flood. Sometimes people are forced to migrate during the war or during a flood, or maybe a job transfer. And sometimes they migrate by their own choice to find a better job or to find a better school. So now here is the story of Bhuvan, why he moved to the city, living his village. So first one is, Bhuvan lived with his wife and children in a village. He was a farmer in a paddy field. Paddy means rice. Rice field beside a river. 2 years ago, a dam was built on the river because of which the river changed its course, causing a flood in that area. Course means the flow of river. As a result, many people, including Bhuvan, became jobless and homeless. He had to move to a city with his family to find a job. I hope it's clear. So now we'll discuss some questions. What are the reasons why people migrate from villages to city? So there are a lot of reasons people migrate from villages to city. They migrate during the war, during the flood, to find a better job, to find a better school, due to the transfer. And in Bhuvan section, why Bhuvan moved to the city? Because there is a flood in his village and his paddy fields and his home are damaged. That's why he decided to find another work in the city. right? Why do people choose city over villages? Why do people choose city over villages? So people choose cities over villages because in city we have so many facilities, the lifestyle is good, we found better jobs, we found better school in cities for our children. So there are lots of reason why people choose city over villages. Now what problem do people from villages face when they move to city? So there are many problems which people face when they leave their village and move to the city. The first one is the problem of language. Maybe they didn't understand or know the local language of that city, then they find the difficulty to find a good house or a better job for themselves, right? So these are the problems they face in city. So these are the keywords. First one is transfer, second one is responsibility, third one is decision, and fourth one is drought. Thank you, my dear students. Please watch this video again and again and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.